Good morning, everyone. Today, again, we'll start with the like previous class. I have already completed interface with MySQL. So I will teach today data structure concept. And this is the last chapter which I am teaching you. And then we'll have some more topic if you want. I will revise the concepts also. So we'll start with data structure concept. Okay. So in data structure, we'll start with the definition part, and as per your syllabus, it's written here. I will share a screen for you. The screen is shared now. Here I'll show you your syllabus actually. What is your syllabus? Wait for a minute. Okay, just a minute. So I'll start with Raza. Open revised syllabus, and in your revised syllabus, see here, in your revised syllabus, the points are very clearly written. 12th class syllabus. Data structure list as covered in class 11. That means the complete list concept I have to teach you here. Basically, list complete programming I have covered in 11th class, but of course is a part of syllabus. So I will teach you again list here. Beside that, stack, push, pop, using a list is also there. So list is basically I have to teach you again in 12th class. Before I'll go ahead, data structure. Data structure, what is data structure concept? Okay, so write that in your this one definition. I've shared a screen for you. So first definition you write data structure. Okay, so we'll start with data structure concept and I'll give you the definition. Data structure. What is data structure? A data structure is a name. A data structure is a named group of data of different data types which is stored in a specific way and can be processed as a single unit. A data structure has well-defined operations, behavior, and properties. Next definition you write raw data. I repeat first data structure. If you have some sort of problem, you can ask me in doubt classes. A data structure is a named group of data of different data types which is stored in a specific way and can be processed as a single unit. A data structure has well-defined operation, behavior, and properties. Raw data. Raw data are facts. These are simple values or set of values. Next is your data items. Represents single unit of values of certain types such as integer, float, etc. Next definition comes here. Simple types of data structure. So type of data structure is first. Type of data structure first is simple data structure. Simple data structure. These data structures are normally built from primitive data types, built-in data types also you can write, predefined data types also you can write, like integers, real numbers, characters, booleans, etc. Examples are arrays, linear list, etc. Example is arrays, linear list. Second definition is compound data structure. Simple data structure can be combined in various ways to form more complex structure called compound data structures. It is further classified as number one, linear data structures. These data structures are single level data structures. Its element form a sequence. Example is stack, queues, linked list, etc. The second type of data structure is compound data structure. Oh, sorry. The second type of data structure is in compound. Second data type of structure is non-linear data structure. These are multi-level data structures. An example of multi-level data structures are trees, graphs, etc. Trees, graphs, etc. I will teach you stack queues later on, but as per your syllabus, I have to start with the list. And list as covered in class 11, so I have to just give you a revision of it. And for that, I will start it here, Python. Programming language, Python 3.9. Ideally, file, new file. Okay. And then I'll write a program, question write a program is I'm starting with a very simple program. Write a program to enter n numbers in a list and find the greater number. So here I am taking n is equals to int. Before we have used the function of evaluate to enter values in a list. But the problem of eval is that it may cause confusion because while entering the value, suppose you have to enter list values, and while entering you are not using the square bracket, rather you are using the round bracket. That means it will consider the values which you have entered in a list or sequence of data. They are considered as tuple, not list. And you know that lists are mutable data type, and mutable data type can change value at its place, whereas non-mutable data type, immutable data type, they cannot change value at its place. So that is why eval functions we avoid while creating list. It's better you use the append function so that you can exactly define n number of elements in a list. So int input enter n. Okay, then you have to define a list here, and this list I am defining initially as empty list, and then I am writing here for I in range, and of course I am generating till n, that is starting with 0 to less than n. All the 5 values, 4 values, 10 values, whatever the value of n you are giving are accepted here. Then I will take here d for data, int input enter data, and then I am writing here a dot append d. Data is added. Now if you want to check, you just write it here, print a list, and execute this, run this program, execute this program. Okay. So when we run, suppose I'll give this array1, AR1, enter. So it will ask you to enter n elements. So I've entered 5 elements, suppose 44, 55, 22, 33, 55, 60, 77, anything. So it will display all the values in the form of list, because initially the A is empty list, and then we are appending the values one by one in list. Append, will append first value, then second value, and so on. Okay. Now you have to find the larger number. So initially I will take the variable as large is equals to a of 0, and then you write for I in range 1 comma, because initial value we have taken as a0, so I will write 1 comma n, so that why to unnecessarily execute one extra time loop. If a of I greater than large, then large is equals to a of I, and finally you come here and print the largest number. And then you write large and run this program. Run module. Okay. And when you will run this program, suppose you are entering values as 4 elements, 33, 22, 11, 99. So suppose you take, okay, 33 will come, no problem. 22 again. So largest number is 33. Again you run it, take some more values. Suppose you are taking 5 values, and then you are taking 63, 77, 19, 88. And then you take 99, 11, so largest number. So that way the program is running 100%. Same way you have to find a smaller value, you have to find the less. And this program I am teaching you because just to start the list again, just a revision. Now next program you write a program to enter, write a program to enter n numbers in a list and reverse it. This program I am taking now. So I will take any program in between. I have already taught in 11th class, but still, as it is a part of 12th class, so I will teach you again. So I'm just removing this. And for reverse a list, so what you have to do, you have to interchange the value of 0 index with the last. Then the index number 1 to the second last, and so on. And this interchange will take place till half of the list. Half of the list, that is, will come, last will come here and first will go to the last. Then second last will come to the first position and first position will go to the second last position, and so on. So what I will do here, I will decide a mid value, and for that I will write n/2. Why I am taking 2 slash? Because it gives you integer division, that means no decimal, fractional value. And then I am generating a loop for I in range and writing n. If, no need of writing if, so simply you exchange. C is equals to a of I, that is index number 0 value. And then you have to go for a of I equals to last value, that is a of n minus 1 is your last value minus I. Why I am writing minus 5? Because first time n minus 1 means, suppose we are having 5 elements. So at index number 4 is the last value. So that's why n minus 1. Minus I means 0. Okay, that is last value. But once I is 1, that means n minus 1 is 2. So that means the third, that is the second last value. That is why we are writing here minus I. And then finally we have to write here a of n minus 1 minus I equals to C. That way it will interchange. If you want to print, you write print reverse list, reverse order list. For I in range 0 comma n colon print a of I. Okay, and run this program. Okay. So n numbers 5, 33, 22, 11, 77, 88. So reverse order is, see, still no change in that. See, 33, 22, 11. So I have made some mistake. You know what mistake I have made? I have reversed the halves list and then again that half list is reversed. So that finally it is coming the same list. So instead of that, I have to write it here mid. That is why I have taken the mid here. So half was reversed and again half is reversed. That means the value is coming same. So see here, now I'll give and same value I will take. Just see 33, 22, 11, 77 and 88. Now wait for a minute. Reverse list is coming. No, it's showing some error. Wait for a minute. For I in range. Oh, I have used wrong place made. Instead of here, I should use it here. And here the n will come only. Okay. Run it. Run. Okay. Now see here. 5 elements. 33, 22, 11. 6, 5, 55, 66. Now see the reverse list is coming 66, 55, 11, 22 and 33. So in case if you may commit some mistake or you are writing some values at wrong place, go through it, check it properly and you will come to know. How it is working, I will just explain you last time. See here. So we are having here, suppose, so this is the index number 0. The C is equals to F0. A of 0 is equals to A of n minus 1 minus I. So what is n? N is 5. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is why 5 minus 1, 4 minus 0 is 4. So A of 0 is 66. So in A0, 66 is stored. And in A of n minus, that is A of n minus 1 minus, that is A of 4, C is 33 is stored. Then it will display the result and finally you will get the result in reverse order. Hopefully this program is clear to you. Okay. We are writing programs, this mostly program which we have learned in 11th class. I will teach you. One more program I am taking today. Okay. And that is the same program. Which program? Okay, I will take searching program. So I will take searching program to write out linear search. It is question, right? Write a linear search program to search an element from a list of n elements. If search is successful, print its position, index number. If not, then display search not successful. Take. So what I will do here, I will take a data which is to be searched. So I will write int. It could be float. If you are entering float values, you can take float also. Input, enter data to search. Okay. For I in range 0, n. Okay. Yeah, you simply write n, no problem. I have to write 0, n. And then you write if a of I equals to d, then print search successful and its position I. And you also do one thing, you write here C is equals to C plus 1 and break, so that unnecessary search will not will happen. And you write if C equals to 0, C is not changed, that means search is unsuccessful. Print search unsuccessful. Okay. And one more thing I will do here, I will decide C. What is C? C is 0 initially. So that way, I will run this program for you and show it to you. Run. Okay. So take any element. Suppose I am taking 3 elements. I have to just search it: 33, 11, and 22. And I have to search 11. So search successful and its position is this. I will run once more this program for you, so that unsuccessful condition also displayed. This is a simple linear search program. So I will take n value as 5, and suppose I am searching 101. So search unsuccessful. Got these points? So go through all this program and just learn everything which I am teaching you here. Okay? Because I have to attend a meeting with principal, further principal. So we have to go there, and further concepts I will teach you in my next class. I have taught today 3 programs to you and basic concepts. Take care of that, and you can ask still in my doubt classes. Okay, and I will teach you more from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. In these 3 days you are having classes, so I will teach you all the concept. Take care of yourself. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, bye. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.